In a move that's firing up discussions across the nation, South Carolina takes aim at traditional gun laws, embracing permitless carry. But what does this mean for the people, and why is it causing such a bang in public discourse? Governor Henry McMaster recently inked a new chapter in the state's law books, allowing eligible citizens to carry firearms openly without a permit. This decision places South Carolina alongside 28 other states betting on constitutional carry. But it's not just about carrying a gun, it's about carrying a conversation on freedom, safety, and rights. As the ink dries, questions shoot from all sides. Advocates champion the law as a victory for the Second Amendment, while critics fear it may reload the debate on gun violence. With increased penalties for carrying in restricted zones, the law aims to balance liberty with liability. From the streets of Charleston to the corridors of Columbia, South Carolinians are weighing in. While some holster their new rights with pride, others worry about the safety of public spaces. Meanwhile, businesses and training centers see a boom, as citizens aim to understand their rights and responsibilities. As South Carolina navigates this new terrain, the state becomes a battleground for a national debate on gun control and rights. The permitless carry law mirrors a wider American dialogue on how to uphold freedom while ensuring public safety. The road to permitless carry in South Carolina is paved with strong opinions, constitutional values, and the ongoing quest for a safe society. As the dust settles, the Palmetto State stands at the forefront of a national conversation, challenging us to rethink the balance between our rights and our responsibilities. If you found this exploration insightful and wish to stay updated on how such pivotal changes unfold across the nation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Because in the quest for understanding, every perspective counts, and yours is invaluable to us. Join us next time for more insights, analyses, and voices that resonate with the times.